This is your Kalpana. In this video, we are going to see reduction formula, integral from 0 to pi by 2 and product of sine and cos into dx. In the previous video, we have seen for m and n even, that is we include pi by 2. Now, we'll apply the second formula, that is otherwise condition, otherwise. When m is even, n is odd, or m is odd and n is even, or both are odd. Okay. So let's do some problems. First one, evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 into sine power 4x cos power 5x into dx, which is, if you consider this to actual formula, you'll get m equals to 4 and n equals to 5. M equals to 4, which is even, and n equals to 5, which is odd. So you'll use the formula even. M is even and n is odd. Second formula, which is equals to m, that is 4. 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 3. Next you'll get 4 minus 5, 4 minus 7 and so on. Okay. Since you are subtracting odd numbers in the numerator. Okay. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 and 4 minus 7 is minus 3 and so on. That is, you will get here negative numbers. You'll get all the negative numbers here. So you'll stop at 4 minus 3 into, now for n you are having 5. That is 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3 into, again you'll get 5 minus 5, 5 minus 7, 5 minus 9, which is equals to 0, minus 2, minus 4 and so on. Okay. So you have to neglect all these numbers. So you'll stop at 5 minus 3 over m plus n, that is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 into, now what we are going to do? We are going to subtract even numbers in the denominator. 9 minus 2 into 9 minus 4 into 9 minus 6 into 9 minus 8. Next you'll get 9 minus 10. Again you'll get a negative number. So you'll stop it here. So this equals to 4 minus 1 is 3 into 4 minus 3 is 1 into 5 minus 1 is 4 into 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 9 into 9 minus 2, 7 into 9 minus 4, 5 into 9 minus 6 is 3 into 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay. Right. 3 gets cancelled. Now this equals to 4 2s are 8 over 7 5s are 35. 35 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4, 31. So 315. 8 by 315 is the answer. Next problem. Evaluate integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x into sine power 2x into dx. Again, compare this with the actual formula. Then you'll get m equals to 7. Sorry, m equals to 2 and n equals to 7. Okay, that is m is even and n is odd. Cos, sine, sine. Even, odd. Again, you'll use the second formula. For m, 2 minus 1. Next we'll get 2 minus 3, which is a negative number, so you'll stop it here. Next. For n, 7 minus 1 into 7 minus 3 into 7 minus 5. Again, you'll get 7 minus 7, which is 0. So you'll stop it here itself. Over 2 plus 7, which is 9. Again, what we are going to do here, we are going to subtract even numbers. 9 minus 2, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 8. And the remaining terms will be negative, so you will stop it here. If you want, you can check. 9 minus 10, 9 minus 12, and so on. So 9 minus 10 is minus 1, 9 minus 12 is minus 3, which are negative numbers, so you will neglect the next terms, which is equals to 2 minus 1 is 1 into 7 minus 1 is 6 into 7 minus 3 is 4 into 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by 9 into 9 minus 2 is 7 into 9 minus 4 is 3 into 9 minus 6 is also, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, you can notice here 2 or 1. 2 or 1. Here you got 1 and here you got 2. 2 or 1 you got 1, and for n 2 or 1 you got 2, and in the numerator again you got 1. Okay, so this equals to 3 2s are 6. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This equals to 16 divided by 9 into 7 into 5. 9 5 is 35. 35 into 9. 45. 9 5 is 45. 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. So this equals to 16 over 315, which is the required answer. Okay. Fine. So this is all for now. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.